When was the last time you took a look at your pool? If you're like other pool owners, probably not since winter. Here are our top 5 hints and ideas on how to get your pool ready in spring for the next swimming season. Number 1, take a look at your pool. If it's got a pool cover, take it off. Check to see if there's any algae on the walls or floor. How's your pool looking at the moment? Number 2, empty the skimmer basket and check that the pump basket is empty. Run your equipment for a few hours and make sure everything is working properly and check that the timers are appropriate. Number 3, give the pool a scoop and give the walls and floor a thorough brushing to get any algae or dirt loosened off the surface. This will allow the chlorine to kill off any algae and the filter to pick up any dust. Number 4, test your water and check the chemical balance. We've had a lot of rain over the past 6 months, so chemical levels can be critically low and you don't want your pool going green as the weather warms up. Number 5, are you looking to add heating to your pool so you can start swimming earlier and swim for longer in the season? Don't forget a pool blanket to retain that heat. This will save you money on chemicals, energy and reduce water loss. Is there any other major work that needs to be done before summer? For example, does your filter need changing, or are you looking to install an energy efficient pump to save on your electricity bills? Robotic cleaners are also a popular present. Finally, many of the best pool technicians are heavily booked all year round and will book out before December. So if you're needing help with your pool, start planning ahead now. But wait, before you go, here's a few more videos you might like. If you're into ASMR, green pool transformations, or you're after helpful hints and tips to look after your pool, check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, share with friends and family, and once again, thanks for watching Pool Crew AU. See you next time.